This is from section 7.3 on the central limit theorem about the Nutty company. And we're trying to figure out if what's more likely to randomly select something, a jar by itself that's less than 16 or an average of 10 jars that are less than 16. So since averages are less variable, this is hopefully what you came to this conclusion. Since averages are less variable, meaning and closer to the mean are less variable than individual measurements. The sample of the 10 jars will be closer to the mean. Sample will be closer to the mean, therefore less likely to be less than, therefore less likely to be less than 16. In fact, you'll find out a lot less likely. So let's do that. So your calculations for the population, you would do just, you want the probability that X is less than 16. Notice just X, like one outcome is less than 16. So you would just do normal CDF, and your lower bound is negative infinity up to 16. The mean is 16.1. The standard deviation is just 0.15. You shouldn't have modified that. And that would give you about a 25% chance. That's just in the regular population of jars. That would be like, we could do that in chapter 2. We already knew how to do that. But what we want now is X bar. The probability X bar, a sample, is less than 16. So we do still normal CDF from negative infinity to 16, and the mean is, the center is still the same, but you use 0.15 divided by the square root of the sample size, which was 10. And that gives you something substantially smaller. So about 2% chance that a sample of 10 jars would be less than 16.